Hey everyone, it is the Nature Man, and today we are testing out some coffee. Here we go, folks. It's the Alpine Start instant coffee with creamer. This has coconut creamer inside of it, and the reason why I'm testing this out, folks, is because I want a giveaway. That's right, from RVA Hiker Girl. I will drop a link of her channel in the description below, so check that out. Check out her channel. About a month ago, I received this packet of coffees, part of that giveaway. There's a whole bunch of different flavors and brands and all kinds of good stuff. So today we're going to give this one a try. I've got some water warming up on my little butane stove here, and we're going to give this a try and see how it tastes, and I'll give you my thoughts on it. All right, folks, so I've opened it up, and as you can see, there's the powder inside of there, and there's the powder inside the cup. All right, let's go ahead and pour this water. I have about 1 cup full of water here. Let's go ahead and give this a stir. Ooh, look at that, folks. Look at that. All right, so I had the water to a slight bubbly boil, so hopefully it's not too hot for me. If it is, I'll let you folks know. But let's go ahead and give this a try and see how this flavor is, and I will give you my thoughts on it. Oh, wow. All right, folks, so compared to the coffee, the instant coffee I usually try, which is the Folgers brand, which is also in this packet, by the way, this is really, really good. All right, I don't want this to get cold on me too quick, but the flavor is really, really good. It's not too sweet, but just sweet enough. Hold on, I gotta try one more. Hold on, one more sip. And it's not bitter. Not bitter at all. It has a very, very mild taste to it. It's not overly strong or powerful, but it's really, really good. Now, like I said, there are a bunch of other coffees in here to try out as well. Some from Starbucks, a couple more from Alpine Start, Koju, and there's another one here from CS Coffee here. So yeah, all kinds of different coffees to try out, and I will be giving these a test as well. Not today, because I don't want to be overly caffeinated, because you know me, folks, if I'm overly caffeinated, forget it. But that definitely hits the spot. Definitely hits the spot. I love my coffee, and I don't always get flavored coffees or cream in the coffee. Every once in a while I'll use some cream, but I drink it black. But this is really, really good. It's growing on me, folks. I've just grabbed another sip. So yeah, so there we go. A little bit of a coffee taste test. I do have some food that I brought with me as well that I'm going to warm up inside of my pot here, and just have a beautiful day. I'll show you what's going on around me. So yeah, so there's the coffee, and there's the pot that I'm going to use, the butane stove, all that good stuff. Packet of coffee. I've got some more snacks here. I got some packet of rice if I was still hungry after that. And over there I have my hammock and tarp set up. Listen to that wind, folks. Ha ha ha. Love it. Yeah, so just got out here today at the Denver's Lloyd State Park, and this picnic bench was here, which is perfect because I was hoping it would be. So I have my place to relax and chill for a little bit after I have something to eat. But that's about it, folks. I just wanted to do this quick video of testing out this coffee here. It's really, really good, and I'll leave a link in the description below to the website where if you want to pick this up, you can as well. Otherwise, folks, I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I will see you on the next one. So I am standing away from where my tarp and hammock is set up. Let me show you what's going on. All right, you may be able to see the orange outline of my top in those woods right there, but let me show you what's going on with the sky right now. Yeah, and the winds are picking up. So, blue skies, but some very, yeah, dark looking clouds right there. So what would you do in this situation? Would you just hang tight for a little bit, or would you pack up your stuff and start heading on out and hope that you don't get drenched upon? We shall see. We shall see.